we are going to see reference function location. So a reference function location that can be used to create several function locations of the same direction. Okay, and this reference function location does not represent a function location in the SAP system. It is just a management tool. Okay, by changing the master record of the reference function location, we can make changes to centrally. Okay, we can make centrally to the function location whose master records refers to the reference function location. So transaction code is to create a reference function location IL 11, 12 and 13 transaction code. Now I am going to create a reference function location. Go to transaction code IL 11. So reference function location I am creating as a plant PLNT. Select the structure indicator, that is BMW01. Okay, reference function location category M. Press enter. Enter the description, plan and installations allowed. So enter planning plan. Okay, work center. So catalog profile, as of now we are taking the standard one. ABC indicator 4, no effect. Press enter. Okay, so this is how we create a reference function location, that is we are creating a reference function location as plant. Save karo. So we created reference function location plant. Okay, now I am creating another reference function location PLNT hyphen UT1. Okay, structure indicator, then reference function location M. Press enter. Okay, now when you press enter, are you able to see the superior function location you got PLNT, right?
Yes.
Previously, whenever you are creating just reference function location PLNT, it is displayed nil, blank, because that is a superior function location.
Yes.
Now superior function location has been created. Now you are creating as a plant unit 1. Okay, so enter the description unit 1. Okay, see here the data is copied automatically. Save the document. Okay, so we created another reference function location PLNT UT1. Okay, now I will create another one UT2 unit 2. We are in the same screen, just we are creating different functions. Press enter. Enter unit 2. Superior function location will be always PLNT. Enter, save. Okay, so I created a
Plant unit.
unit 2. Next, you will create plant unit 1 and department will be production. Okay, press enter. Now this time see superior functional list is plant unit 1. So here department of production. Save. Okay. You just keep on observe
Okay.
what we are doing one by one. Okay. What we created? Production, right?
Production.
Next, under production, I am entering some machine 1, MACH01. Okay. Press enter. Description, machine number 1. Now see superior function location, plant unit 1 production department.
Product.
Save. Now I am going to create another machine 2. Save. Okay. So, while you are practicing also, please make a note of it so that it will help you. Okay. Now we'll create another one. Okay.
Okay.
Quality. Okay. I am creating another function location as quality. Got the point? Press enter. Department of quality. Save. Next. Under this quality department, I'll create another machine. Okay. Testing machine 1. Save. Again I'll create testing machine 2. Got it?
Okay.
Just you see it. Finally you will see the result. What is it? Quality testing machine 1, then quality testing machine 2. Next, again planet unit 1 utility. Okay, I'm creating department of utility. Save. So what we created?
Utility.
Plant UT1 UTLY utility department, right? Now under this utility department I'll create for DG press enter. Description 500 kVA DG set generator. Okay. Save. Utility DGE01. Now in the same utility department itself, press enter, description of the machine, save. Okay. Now these are the reference function locations we created. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
So
Sir.
these are the reference function locations we created, boss.
Function. Okay, sir.
Reference functional location.
Location.
IL 11, 12,
1, 1,
13.
12, 13.
Now, next we are going to see is create function location using reference function location. Next is, okay, create functional location using reference function location.
Reference location.
Now we are seeing now creating reference function location, boss. Okay,
Sir.
we are seeing creating reference function location.
Create.
Now create function location using reference function location we are going to see now. Okay, the transaction code is
Okay.
IL04 0506.
506.
You just observe how those things will take place now. You go to the transaction code IL04 0506. Create change in display. Okay. So here structure indicator what you created. You should remember the structure indicator. Function location category M. Okay. Got the point?
Okay.
Then after filling these details, if it get automatic, it's okay. Otherwise, you need to enter manually. So what is the structure indicator we created at the beginning of the classes? BMW01 and function location category, that is M. Technical system. Now click on use reference location. You just observe here. Click on use reference location. Okay.
Okay.
Now enter the reference location. What is the reference location we created? The first one here, PLNT. Isn't it?
PLNT plant.
PLNT plant. Okay. Enter below the parameter, that is new function location structure, what you want to create. Okay. Enter the new functional location structure, what you want to create. So here I'll enter BMWC. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a reference function location just now we created. New function location structure BMWC. Now you just observe when I press enter what happens. Okay, functional location BMWC already exists, huh? Okay, we have created already, na? ठीक है. Now see here, what happened when you press enter? Yeah. Hello.
हाँ सर.
What happened when you press enter?
हेलो. जितना भी अपन ने क्रिएट किया था ना सर, डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ में वो सब दिखा रहा है. यूटिलिटी, प्रोडक्शन, क्वालिटी सब शो कर रहा है डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ में.
Yes.
BMW
Now,
फंक्शनल लोकेशन
one
अपन ने
second.
जितने क्रिएट किए थे सब.
One second. Instead of this, one second. Again, IL04. Again, I'll show. This is a screen. You will get it once you go to IL04. IL04. Enter structure indicator, function location, category M. Click on use reference location PLNT. Okay.
Client.
Now new function location. So actually BMWC we have already created. See, I'll show.
Okay.
If you go to IH01 transaction code, in the previous class we have seen. Here we enter BMWC. Already this function location we have created already.
See. Okay.
In the previous class. In the previous class we have seen we have created some function locations, right? Unit 1, Unit 2, Department of Production. All these things we have created already. Okay.
Okay.
Now what we do is I will create another one. Okay. So click on use reference function location. So here reference function create kiya tha plant, and here I create a BMW. Okay. BMW is already created, na?
Okay.
So I create a BMW.
Okay.
The moment when I press enter, you just observe what happens.
Function local BMW already exists.
No, see. Okay. You got the BMW and you observe here. See, you just observe. Previously you got here PLNT, right? You just observe. You just comparison. You do the comparison here. Okay. Instead of plant you got BMW. Plant unit 1, BMW unit 2. Is it clear now?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So it was
Okay.
replaced automatically.
हाँ.
All the changes will be done at a time. Now you save it.
ठीक है.
The system will throw you a message. See the message now. See, that means ultimately what we have done is first we create a reference function location as PLNT. Okay. Now
Okay.
what we have done, create a function location using reference function location. So using all the function locations which we have created, by taking them into consideration, we have created a new function. So what happened, instead of instead of PLNT, you got all BMW. So what happened?
BMW.
System has copied everything. Okay.
Okay.
System has copied this. I'll show here. Okay. And what happened? So here, just
BMW.
yeah, function location. You got it as a BMW. That's it. Just it was named with the this thing.
BMW.
BMW like this.
Plant की जगह BMW.
Yeah, this is first you need to create a reference function location. Then using reference function location, the system creates the remaining function locations. So this is the total data. And okay, so finally the system displays 11 function locations have been created.
Great.
Now you go to IL02, that is change function location. So here you just enter BMW, press enter. Enter BMW. So here change the description, whatever the description. So it's already there. So it copied everything. So this is a superior function location. So here superior function location is blank here. Is it careful? Are you able to observe? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here you go to function location, and here you enter all the things. Then in the location, maintenance plan, location, ABC indicator, in the organization, cost center, planner group, that's it. Save. In the same way, you maintain BMWC unit 1. Now if you go to IH01, you enter BMW, execute, click on expand whole. Now are able to see?
Yes, sir.
The system has created all the function locations.
Function location.
So what are the functions? So BMW, BMW UT1, BMW UT2, okay. Then again UT1 production, machine 1, machine 2, everything it has been copied out.
Copy.
Okay.
Okay.
So like this, we will create a reference function locations and now copying the function location. Okay, copying of the function location. So how will you do it? Copying of the function location is, you go to IL04, enter your structure indicator, function location category, and click on copy reference. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Click on copy reference. So here function location, which function location? BMW hyphen unit 1, and here new function location BMW hyphen unit 2. Now just keep on press enter. Okay. See here, what happened? The system has copied all the details. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Now you save it. The system will throw a message. So and so function locations have been created.
Great.
Okay. Again, if you go back to IH01, enter BMW, okay, and click on execute, click on expand whole. You're able to see whatever the things you have for
Yes.
unit 1, they came for the unit 2 also.
Okay.
Okay. So final conclusion here is the total function locations are created in 3 ways. Okay. One is manually copying from reference function location, copying from existing functional location. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the things in the today's class. How to first you need to create a reference function locations. Then we'll create a function locations using a reference function location. Then you can copy the function locations from one function location to another function location. Okay. In the interview they will ask you how many ways you can create the function locations. One is manually, then copying from the reference function location, then copying from the existing function location. This is the interview question. Okay. So tomorrow we'll start either we'll go for the equipment or else we'll see the configuration settings for the function location. I'll show
Okay.
how the
Okay.
configuration settings of the function location is done. That we'll see tomorrow.
Okay.
You have seen the front end. Okay.
Yes.
So we'll see the background settings of this function location also. Okay.
Okay, sir.